What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and we're looking at a 2003 Honda Rebel. Guys, this bike's awesome. You know what I'm going to say? Tire treads baller in the back. It is a Honda Rebel, guys. I mean, stuff right there. And this is the ultimate starter bike. A little bit of rust right there, but you could buff that out pretty easily with a lip powder. Probably should have done that. I got some scuffing on the tank, guys. It's a 2003. It's got that vintage Rebel logo. Very great, very good. Scuffing on that front fender. Very good beginner bike, guys. This bike is awesome for people, scuff right there, who want to get acquainted with riding motorcycles, chain drive, high performance machine. No, I'm just joking. This is a killer machine, guys. Scuff right there on the tank, if you can see that. This bike is great for beginners. I mean, that's just the plain cold hard facts. It's got 8,000 miles on it. Probably had like 30 owners. Everyone owns them for about a month. They learn to ride them, then they sell them, and they all sell them around the exact same price, like $2,500. Bike is awesome. Bike is such a good running machine. I'm going to show you what a 2003 carbureted bike. It's a Rebel, fires up like. This is what every carbureted bike should fire up like right here. Pretty darn amazing, guys. These things fire up so well. They run so good. I never hear of people breaking down these bikes. Now, I'm not going to say that they don't break down, but they're just such good bikes, good starter bikes. They're usually always a little bit, not necessarily beat up, but they're always a little bit, they've been ridden, someone's been, it's their first bike, they're sitting in their parents' garage, dreaming of the open road, and they drop it. It's not a huge deal. These are the kind of bikes. Don't worry about the vehicle history as far as don't get the Carfax. You're not gonna find anything out about these bikes. It's probably the only thing you're gonna find out is it's had like 30 owners, and it's all been in the exact same state, and it's been sold on Craigslist to everybody's neighbor. It's a great bike, guys. If you can pick these things up for like $2,000, grab it, learn how to ride, get rid of it, sell it on Craigslist. Don't trade it in. These bikes sell like hotcakes. Like I said, guys, 2003 Honda Rebel. Thanks a ton for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike. If you're a beginner, definitely make sure to check out the test drive. If you're looking for a bike and you're like, I've been riding dirt bike, now I'm going to get into riding, this might be too small for you. You might want to jump up to a 650. So don't immediately jump into this bike thinking it's for every beginner. But for most beginners, it's a great first bike. I'm never going to steer you away from a Rebel as your first bike. So thanks a ton for watching, guys, and enjoy the test drive.